The Arab Islamic Summit in Doha convened in response to the Israeli attack on Hamas. Leadership in Qatar reportedly called for all possible measures against Tel Aviv, including the review of diplomatic and economic ties, while also reaffirming the concept of collective security in the face of common challenges and threats. Full stop. Next paragraph. The Joint Arab League and Organization of Islamic Cooperation Summit was called by Qatar to pile pressure on Israel, which has been facing mounting calls to end the war and humanitarian crisis in Gaza. Full stop. Next paragraph. Qatar-based outlet Al Jazeera reported that the Council of the League of Arab States adopted the resolution Shared Vision for Security and Cooperation in the region to reaffirm the concept of collective security and shared destiny of Arab and Islamic states, the necessity of unity in facing common challenges and threats, and the importance of beginning to put in place the required implementation mechanisms. Full stop. Next paragraph. The signatories said, any future regional arrangements must enshrine the principles of international law and the UN Charter, good neighbor relations, respect for sovereignty, non-interference in the internal affairs of states, equality of rights and duties without preference of one state over another, and settlement of disputes by peaceful means. Full stop. Next paragraph. The AFP citing the final draft of the statement said that the summit warned that Israel's brutal aggression threatens all that has been achieved on the path towards establishing normal relations with Israel, including existing and future agreements. Full stop. It also said the draft had called upon all states to take all possible legal and effective measures to prevent Israel from continuing its actions against the Palestinian people, including by reviewing diplomatic and economic relations with it, and initiating legal proceedings against it. Full stop. Next paragraph. Israel and its main backer, the United States, have been trying to expand the Abraham Accords, which established ties with the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain and Morocco in 2020. Full stop. The end.